It's tasty. It's yummy. It's your mama's kitchen. Yeah.
All right, Big Meat is on the grill today. We're using our Blackstone griddle. Check it out. Bop, bop, bop. We have the two sides here. Usually I'm going to let that preheat, but as that is preheating, and it will get hot, so please use caution. Just going to squirt just a little bit of oil around the side. And keep that down once you turn your griddle on for about 5 minutes to preheat.
Okay, get my tools together, got my spatula, got my scraper for the residue, and got this wonderful pounder, or presser, or however you like to name it, to press my burgers.
Got my guys ready over here. Guys, y'all ready? All right. So I also got this handy dandy little Laser Pro infrared thermometer. So we want to make sure that we securely and safely. Ready. Usually try to keep it around 375, close to 400. Yeah, that is burn your burgers hot. So we're gonna turn this down. Okay, we're ready to transfer these bad boys onto the griddle. Like that. Once you have that, and then please be careful. Usually use like some, cover your arms up, cover your hands because it will pop. Whatever, you smash it down, hold it down for about just a couple seconds there. All right, then you lower your lid for a little bit. So we're using the Simply potatoes. And we're gonna keep these a little, let them do what? Spread the wealth out. We'll teach you some help. So moisturize your buns. All right, I brought some friends along. Brought the secret ingredient of sour cream and some cheddar cheese with me to put on our potatoes. All right, look at these cuties. Now that we've cleared our other side, we're gonna put our glazed buns on top so they can be nice and buttery for us. This is still cooking. Taking a little while because it was cold, and as it gets the potatoes cook really, really well, so just leave those on for a little extra time. All right, look like it's cooking now. Yeah, buddy. All right, looking good, ladies. This is about done. All right, I think my buns are done. That's gorgeous. Get it while it's hot. All right, so you can have a regular burger on bread, bun, or like the In-N-Out burgers, you can have it protein style. You can wrap that buddy up, dress it up how you like. Happy eats. Peace.